Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is a traditional cultural art show which was on November 3rd, 4th and 5th in Ravindra Bharati, Hyderabad. And here in this video you will be seeing the glimpses of this beautiful art show.
India 2023 Miss Globe India 2023 and this saree I have painted on Ghumar dance on Rajasthani culture, and she is going for an international this competition of Miss Globe. So you all bless her so that our country wins. She is going now to Albania, so bless her. She is a surgeon, second year.
There were 50 participants in this art show, and all the artists had painted the sarees and dhoti kurta. The artists painted the sarees and dhoti kurta and did the cultural walk. Those interested in buying any of these hand painted sarees can contact me. All the sarees painted by different artists are for sale. My details are in this video and below this video in description. For more information on art, do click the link of my website in about in my channel, and you can join online professional courses, certificate courses. interested in buying any of these hand painted sarees can contact me. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art techniques, tutorials, style, fashion. Keep watching. Thanks.